Hello students, in the last video I have discussed about the degradation process and the gradation process, and over there we have learnt about how the work of the degradation carries on. So it is carried on by the process of erosion, transportation and denudation. So what is this erosion? This erosion is a process. It is a process of wearing away the land surface by the natural agents. This work of the erosion is being done by the two ways. And what are the two ways? One is a corrosion and another one is the corrosion. So first, what is this corrosion? In plain simple language, corrosion is the process of mechanical erosion or mechanically done erosion, the mechanical erosion of the rock surface So the erosion of the rock surface by friction of the rock material with the surface we generally call them as the mechanical erosion. Okay, and this mechanical erosion is done by the agents of nature like running water, then rivers, streams, etc. Next is, what is the process of corrosion? The corrosion is the process by which the rocks get weared or get eroded by chemical or by the action or solvent action. We call that process as the corrosion. So corrosion is the mechanical way by which the rock is getting eroded, and the corrosion is the chemical way by which the rock is getting eroded. So this is the two processes by which the work of the erosion is being done. Next, the process is the transportation. Okay, so what is the process of transportation? It is actually the process by which the rock or the loose rock fragments which falls or which are created due to this action of the erosions and other materials are carried away from one region to another region. The process is known as the transportation. The action of erosion or the erosive action is always followed by the process of transportation or by the action of transportation. Okay, so this is what the work of the transportation actually is. And the last process of the degradation is the denudation. What is this denudation? The term denudation has been derived from a Latin word denudere, which means to strip bare. So this denudation actually means taking off the covering of the layers of the rock surface and making the rock surface bare. It is one of the major process which is responsible for arts sculpturing, it also includes the results of weathering, then erosion and transportation. After the process of degradation, the process of aggradation takes place. What is aggradation? It is a process in which landforms are formed or are built by the process of deposition. The transported materials gets deposited in the low lying areas and they forms aggradational or depositional planes. So this is the end of this video. I'll continue with the next of the portion in the next video. Thank you everyone.